Oh, okay. How about now?
इदानीं संपूर्ण चंद्र दर्शनं जातम्.
धन्यवादः.
इतः पूर्वम् अर्धचंद्र दर्शनमेव.
The computer screen.
वसुधा माता वंदे मातरम.
वंदे मातरम आचार्य गारू.
संतोष भ्रता वंदे मातरम.
वंदे मातरम आचार्य गारू.
हरि ओम. व्याख्या मुद्रां करशिरसिजैः पुस्तकं शंखचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्न स्फटिकरुचिरे पुंडरीके निषिण्णः अम्लानश्रीः अमृतविशधैः अंशुभिः प्लावयन्माम् आविर्भूयादनघमहिमा मानसे वागधीशः. हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्. हरि ओम. माद्राक्षं क्षीणपुण्यान् क्षणमपि भवतो भक्तिहीनान् पदाब्जे मा श्रौषं श्राव्यबद्धं तव चरितमपास्यान्यदाख्यानजातं मा स्मार्षं माधव त्वामपि भुवनपते चेतसा पक्नुवानान् मा भुवं त्वत्सपर्या व्यतिकररहितो जन्म जन्मान्तरेऽपि. हरिः ओम. जिह्वे कीर्तय केशवं मुररिपुं चेतो भज श्रीधरम् पाणिद्वन्द्वसमर्चयाच्युतकथा श्रोत्रद्वयत्वं शृणु कृष्णं लोकय लोचनद्वय हरेर्गच्छाङ्घ्रियुग्मालयं जिघ्रघ्राणमुकुन्दपादतुलसीं मूर्धं समाधोक्षजम्. हरिः ओम. स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः. दीक्षापति स्वामी स्वागतं. भवतः मुखं न दृश्यते.
नमस्ते.
उत्तमम्. अपि वसुधायाः पतिः न दृश्यते अद्य.
आगच्छति.
आगच्छति.
It's coming.
आगच्छति. मार्गमध्ये अस्ति वा?
अस्ति.
आम् अस्ति. मार्गमध्ये अस्ति. आगच्छन्नस्ति 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 आगतः.
नमस्कारं.
मातरं नमस्कारः. ओके उत्तमम्. एकः श्लोकः स्मर्यते. उत्तमं स्वार्जितं वित्तं. किं नाम वित्तं?
मणि.
उत्तमं
Very straight.
बेस्ट or respectable. उत्तमं स्वार्जितं. What is स्वार्जितं?
Earn.
Self earned by.
उत्तमं स्वार्जितं वित्तं मध्यमं पितुरार्जितं.
Middle is Pitra's earnings.
Earnings of father or forefathers. Okay. Adhamam bhratruvittanja.
Worst is brother's earnings.
Strivittam adhamadhamam.
Virittam. What is Virittam?
What is Strivittam? The money given to a woman or the money earned by a woman, just making our livelihood, is adhamadhamam.
Is the worst. Worst of worst.
You got it. So take it in a positive way, okay? There is no feminism concept here.
Okay.
Just whatever the money given to woman, it belongs to her only. You can take, just earn by yourself, live is fine. If you just take from your father, is okay. Take from your brother and live is also considered okay, fine. But never take money from woman.
Acharya, that needs to be rewritten now because there are stay-at-home dads. So
Yeah,
That's
that's true.
why I'm telling. Just take money from the people, and just don't take money from the people who are dependent on some little thing. There are few people like taking dowries, etc. That's called as Trivittam only. Living on dowry, I'll establish a business on dowry, or I'll just take something. Time being, if they help you is fine. Okay. So it's a shlokam from the time. This tells about a psychological conditioning, not about the timing or the people. Yeah, okay. Today, Narayan Paji, Namaste. Shyam Garu, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Shyam Garu is hiding today.
Who is hiding?
Shyam Garu.
Shyam Garu. He's a sun, Swami. He's like a glowing sun at night. Okay. 2-3 days we did practice of present tense and little past. Aham agachami, aham karomi, aham gachami, aham pibami, vadami, khadami, aham jivami, etc. In the last class, I think we went to a little past. Aham akhadam. What did we did? Last class?
Krutavan.
Bhuktva, bhuktva, krutva, krutavan, gatavan. 2 suffixes. Today, a little grammatical concept which we are almost known in different languages, like in Telugu, in Hindi, all other languages. This concept is same. This is sandhi. Sandhi concept is same. We find the same sandhis in every language. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. How many don't know about Savarna Dirgha Sandhi? Never heard of. Okay, you remember it or not, that's a different thing. Savarna Dirgha, how many heard the word Savarna Dirgha Sandhi?
we heard, but I don't remember now.
That's what I said. You heard is enough. First, basic knowledge. Savarna
Yes.
Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi. Yeah.
Very good. Vruddhi Sandhi.
The Sandhi was popular.
Sandhi is popular, but Vruddhi Sandhi, Yanadesh Sandhi. So today, we'll just touch those sandhis. It's grammatical concept. Okay. So if we learn this, we'll know how to disjoin a word. We know some words. We don't know whether they are joined words or individual words.
Padachedanam.
Padachedanam, yeah. For the disjoining of the words, we need this knowledge. It's called sandhi. Congratulations, we came to 25th class today.
What a century.
So let us start with a good shlokam. Shlokaha. Vasudha Mata Pathati Shlokaha.
Avashya.
Wow. Uttamam.
Subhashitam.
Subhashitam. Subhashitam means nama?
Good word.
Good
Saying.
Saying.
good saying, good talk, wise saying. Okay. How many words? Subhashitam, 1 word or 2 words?
Subhashitam.
Ashitam.
2
Su
words.
plus bhashitam. Very good. Su means good. Okay. Next. Mata, continue.
Narasyabharanam rupam. Rupasyabharanam gunaha. Gunasyabharanam jnanam. Jnanasyabharanam shama.
Very good. What is the meaning, Swami? Can anyone tell what is the difference? How can you divide the words?
Narasya bharanam rupam.
Okay, divide the Narasya Bharanam.
Narasya Abharanam.
Narasya abharanam.
Narasya Abharanam. What is Abharanam?
Pranam.
Ornament.
Rupam.
Ornament. Narasya looking like which Shabda?
Of
Ramasya.
Sasti.
Yeah, very good.
Sasti.
Ramasya Abharanam. Instead of Narasya, you can use Ramasya also. Okay. Narasya. What is Nara?
Man.
Man's Abharanam is Rupam.
What is ornament to a man?
Rupam.
Rupam.
If there is no good structure, he is not respected actually. You should have a fit of the body. So Narasya Rupam Abharanam. Okay. If you have Rupam, what is the ornament of Rupam? Next line.
Gunam. Gunaha.
Rupasyabharanam gunaha.
If you have a structure, that is not enough. For that structure, character is ornament. Okay, if you have character also, what is ornament to the character now?
Jnanam.
Manasya abharanam jnanam. If you have no knowledge, character is okay, but will not shine. Okay, if you have knowledge also, what is ornament to the knowledge?
Kshama.
Jnanasya kshama.
What is kshama?
Forgiveness.
Forgiveness.
Patience, forgiveness.
Patience.
Two meanings are there. Okay, patience and forgiveness. I found it with many experienced people. Youngsters behave very with what we can say aveshaha, like excitement, anger, many things cumulatively can be seen. But people who are experienced in knowledge, I found many people are so patient. Even if youngsters did mistakes, they said, yes, is that so? Okay, fine. If they are my teacher, many times if I say wrong words, if I spell something wrong, also he keeps, yes, is that so? Do you think like that? Okay, let it be. After some days, I go to my teacher, tell, teacher, you told like that, sir, but actually I was wrong. She said, hey, yes, you are wrong. But why don't you correct me at that time? You are not in a position to listen at that time. When you are not in a mood of listening at the time, what I can explain to you? Even if I explain, you won't listen to me. So time is the best teacher who tells everything. For that, we need kshama, patience and forgiveness. Sometimes if we will be bombarding on our people are so calm. Later we repent ourselves. I might have done a wrong thing. So repenting, giving patience, understanding things, these are all the ornaments for knowledge. Nice shlokam, na sir, this today?
Very
Yes.
nice.
Yeah, I still feel
Uttama.
young, Swamiji.
Swami?
I still feel young, Swamiji, by this definition.
Everyone are young. You are actually like physically, you might be, sorry, psychologically you might be young. Manasa yavanaha.
Yeah, because I don't have that kshama thing, so no patience.
I found it in you many times. I just talk rubbish to you, but you just keep on telling me, no, this is not, this is this, this is this. I found patience in you. I don't know why you are not finding it in it.
Oh, that's nice of you.
Okay, repeat after me. Narasya abharanam rupam.
Narasya
Ya abharanam rupam
Rupasya abharanam gunaha.
Rupasya
abharanam gunaha
Gunasya abharanam jnanam.
gunasya abharanam jnanam
Jnanasya abharanam kshama.
abharanam
Why I
kshama.
divided it? Because for better understanding. If you, it is a disjoint word is narasya abharanam rupam, rupasya abharanam gunaha, gunasya abharanam jnanam, jnanasya abharanam kshama. There is no sandhi here. If you use avarna dirgha sandhi, then it becomes narasya bharanam rupam, rupasya bharanam gunaha, gunasya bharanam jnanam, jnanasya bharanam kshama. How many savarna dirgha sandhis are there here in this shlokam?
4.
4 are savarna dirgha sandhi. If you disjoin it, narasya abharanam rupam, 3 words. If you join it, only 2 words. Narasya abharanam rupam. Rupasya guna, gunasya jnanam, jnanasya kshama. So in this savarna dirgha sandhi seen. What is savarna dirgha sandhi?
Savarna.
Sa plus varna is equals to dirgha is a formula. Sa is the same, varna is the letter. Sa plus varna, the same letter opposite sides, is equals to dirgha, savarna dirgha sandhi. This is Panini. Okay? Panini told that same letter, if there is it is opposite sides, then answer will be dirgha. If it is akara, answer will be dirgham only. If it is ikara, if it is ukara, answer will be dirgham. Only 3 words will come. 3 dirghas. A, E, U, R, dirgha. I told you in the beginning, do you remember?
Yes.
A, E, U, R only dirgha. We'll get only, the next stage is dirgha. Remaining are dirghas only by default. These are actually hrasvas, will become dirgha also. For example, A, Before plus and after plus.
Acharya, in R also there is R, Rasva and Dirgha, isn't it?
No, Swami. Ru itself actually is a dirgha.
Oh, is it? Isn't there a Dirgha Ru?
No Ru dirgha. In Telugu it is. In Telugu language, in different many languages, there is in Hindi, there is a differentiation of Ru. Hrasva Rukara, Dirgha Rukara. Hrasva Lukara, Dirgha Lukara. Like in Sanskrit, Ru dirgha by default. Lu dirgha by default.
Oh, I see.
Okay. There is a dirgha rukara and dirgha rukara in both sides, before and after. The answer will be dirgham only. Na?
Yeah.
See, before plus there is a dirgham. After plus also there is a dirgham. What is answer?
Dirgha, yeah.
Dirghakara.
Yeah.
Okay, if it is ikara also, plus and before plus and after plus there is ikara. Answer will be dirgha ikara. So akara, any akara before or after becomes dirgha. Any ikara before or after plus is also dirgha only. So there is sa varna dirgha sandhi. Sa, same varna letter becomes dirgha. That sandhi is called as savarna dirgha sandhi. For example, daitya plus arihi. Daitya, before plus it is a. After plus it is a. Answer is dirgham. Daityarihi. Able to see the cursor?
Yeah.
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 Next one.
What is the meaning, Swami?
Sir?
Daitya and Hari.
Meaning, Daitya means Rakshasa. Ari is a Shatru, enemy. Enemy of Rakshasas. Who is Daityari?
Oh.
Devata.
No?
Hari.
Hari. Why Hari? Shiva is the
Hari.
beloved god of all Rakshasas.
Yes.
Every time they do the thing, Shiva is called as Ashudata. Ashutosh. He's having a very beautiful name. Ashutosh. Tosh is Santosh. He'll be happy. Ashu. Easily. He is easily accessible to everybody. So he is nice to even Rakshasas also. He gave many boons to Rakshasas. But Vishnumurti is not that easily accessible. That's why everyone hated Vishnumurti. Shiva blessed Bhasmasura. Shiva blessed Gajasura. Shiva blessed Ravanasura. And all Asuras were gifted by Shiva, but killed by Vishnu. So that's why all Rakshasas will hate Vishnumurti. So Daityari means
Hari.
Hari, Vishnumurti. Daityari Pundarikaksho is one of a name in Vishnu Sahasranama. Okay. Shasha plus Ankaha. Shasha plus Anka. Shashanka. What is Shashanka?
Anka is I, right?
No. Ankh is I.
Oh, I see. I see.
The Ankh came from Akshi.
Okay, okay.
Anka means symbol. Anka means symbol. Shasha means rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
Where you can find the symbol of rabbit?
Moon.
In the moon. So Shashanka means Chandrama.
Oh.
There is Savanadira Santhi. Again. Gaura Angaha. Anga means
Body.
Part.
body part. Very good. Gaura.
Gaura.
Very important, famous word.
Respectable or respected?
White. Gaura means white.
Like
Karpura
Gauri.
Gauram
Gora.
Karunavaram.
Gori has come.
Gori. Gori.
What is Gori? It is not Gori, it is Gauri.
No, in Hindi, Gori is like.
Gora.
Gori,
Yes.
Gori, Gora.
Like
Yeah,
they say
Gora,
Gora,
Gora. Yeah,
yeah.
Gori. Yeah, very good. In Hindi, it is Gori.
Gori tera gaon bada.
Garbati came to the mood. Okay. Okay. Gaura plus Angaha, white limbed or a body with white in color. Gaurangaha. Vidya plus Alayaha. There are Dirgham before and Dirgham after. Vidya plus Alayaha.
Vidyalaya.
So there is a Dirgham. Answer is same. Can you tell anything like this? Vidyalaya instead of Vidyalaya?
Karya plus Alaya.
Very
Karyalaya.
good. Karyalaya. Fantastic. That is Savarnadirgha Sandhi. Next one. Anything else?
Rama plus Kantaha. Rama Kantaha.
Okay. Rama plus Kantaha. What is after plus here? Rama plus ka. Is ka akara?
Kanta.
Yes.
Immediate letter is important. Immediate syllable.
Oh.
Do you find anything immediate beyond akara?
No.
If I write Rama plus ka, it becomes
Rama, Ka.
ka. So it's not right, na?
Okay.
What you can tell? Rama plus alayaha is fine.
Ramalaya.
Rama plus alayaha, Ramalayah. Rama plus alayaha,
I get it
Ramalayah.
short.
Deva plus alayaha, Devalayah.
Himalaya.
Hima plus alayaha, Himalaya. Fantastic.
Yeah, that's what.
So a should be there. Okay, very good. Next. Ratna plus akaraha. What is Ratna?
Jewel.
Jewel,
Diamond. Akaraha.
one who wears.
Ratnakaraha. What is Ratnakaraha?
Akara. One who has it.
House of diamonds
Yes.
or treasure of diamonds. What is Ratnakaraha?
Sea.
C. Very good. C. C is called as Ratnakaraha. Very good. Yatha plus Artha. Generally, many times they use this. Yadardham. It is Yadartha. What is Yathartha? Yatha plus Artha. As it is called as Yadartha. Exact meaning is called as Yadartha. Yathartha. Same Savarnira Sandhi. Vidya plus Abhyasaha. There is Dirgham before Akara later. Vidya Abhyasa.
Ramarda.
Rama plus Artha, Ramartha. Very good. Vidya plus Arthi, Vidyarthi. Very good. Vidyarthi. Okay. So in this, I will show you some other examples. Okay, I need to share the screen again. Word. Able to see the word screen? No, Swami. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. I'll show the screen again. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll write something here. Able to see? Yeah, I'll make the screen a bigger one. Yeah. What is this?
Hari,
Hari. Icha. What is the meaning? Or what happens if you join it?
Richa.
Haricha.
Ah, Haricha. Very good. Again, Hari plus Isha.
Isha,
Harisha.
Harisha. Very good. Bhanu plus Udaya.
Anodaya,
Bhanu.
What it becomes?
Anodaya,
Anudaya.
Ah, Bhanona. It is Bhanu. Bhanudaya.
Anodaya,
Okay, again. Shubha plus Udaya.
Shubhodaya.
Ah, it is not Savarnadira Sandhi because
It's Gunasan.
there is no U before plus. So this is not Savarnadira Sandhi. Okay. Guru plus Unnati.
Gurunati.
Guru Unnati. So akara, ikara, and ukara. Before and after, you should check the plus. Before and after plus, you should check whether it is Hrasva ukara or Dirgha ukara. Answer is Dirgham only. Okay. Now again, come back to the PPT. Sandhi. Yeah.
Yeah, in this sloka, Acharya,
Uh-huh.
in this Subhashitam, just thinking about Kshama. Kshama is a feminine gender?
Kshama, yeah. Kshama, kshame, kshamaha. That's why there is no visarga.
Yeah, Kshama.
If you find dirgha, it is almost feminine gender. Okay. Next with sandhi is guna sandhi. What is guna sandhi? Before or after plus? Before plus, it is mandatory that there should be akara. Compulsory before plus, there should be akara only. After plus, you may have e or u. So there is a game between a, e, u. If there is a before and after plus, e before and after plus, u before and after plus, savarna sandhi. But if there is plus, if there is akara before plus and later non-akara is ikara or ukara, it is called as multiplication, guna sandhi. Savarna sandhi is addition. A plus a is equals to a. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now it is guna sandhi. There is 2 into 2, not 2 into 1 into 2 is equals to 3. Or 1 into 3 is equals to, 1 plus 3, like that. So guna sandhi. So it is called multiplied. A plus E is equals to A. For example, can anyone read this? What is the first word?
Upa
Upa.
plus Indra.
So what is the difference here? Before plus?
A plus
Kara,
Akara. After plus?
Kara.
So together, what is the answer? A plus E is equals to?
A.
A.
So Upa plus Indraha.
Upendra.
What is Upendraha?
Upendrudu is like Vishnu.
Okay. How can you find out a similarity for this? Rashtrapati, Uparashtrapati, Pradhani, Upapradhani.
Deputy.
Means a bit lower than.
How come Vishnu is lower than Indra?
It's not lower. There we need to understand like he is above Indra. For Vishnu, it is above Indra. So, okay. Upa plus Indra, Upendra. A plus E, A. Upa plus Indra, Upendra. Whenever you find a person called Upendra, it is just you can tell that as Are you have a Gunasandhi in him, man. Next one.
Gaja plus Indra. Gajendra.
Gajendra. Gajendra. What is Gajendra?
Elephant.
King of elephants.
King of elephants.
There is there is a Gaja Shastram in our Indian tradition. Another book is called as Ashva Shastra. You ever heard of it?
Yeah.
No.
Ashva Shastra is usually used for understanding Ashva. Even now, people who ride horses will be trained. They have separate courses. How to understand the horse, how to get habituated to it. Horses generally they won't get attached to human beings. Very close people only they'll be attached to it. That's why kings used to use horses in warfare, because particular horse is suitable to the person. So psychologically it will get connected. Even if something happens to the person who is mounting on it, they'll just go search the head of the king. Even in a battlefield, if it is chopped, it will bring the head back to the kingdom. So it will be so affected, like what we can say, so attached to the person. For that attachment, every rider, what they do, once I used to go to teach ethics, so I used to see a horse farm. Then people used to take Navaratna oil and used to do massage to all horses, legs and all. They used to do a lot of services. Before getting onto it, mounting it, 40 to 45 days only you need to do service to it. Every day morning go give breakfast, give lunch, in the evening do something, okay, and do service to it. After all the service you need to massage to the legs of it and do all types of services, everything what not. After doing all the services, when the horse believes you, then it is actually accepts to just come on, mount on my back. Till then it won't accept. Till then it won't accept. So that is the nature of horse. To understand that you need Ashva Shastram. So when it wakes up, when it sleeps, how much it will eat, how much it will drink, how much distance it will go. These are called as Ashva Shastra. In ancient time we used to have it book in Sanskrit. Just a second, excuse me. I'm getting an emergency call. I don't know who is that. Okay, fine. The next one, we are talking about Gaja Shastra, na?
Yes.
What is Gaja Shastra? Do you ever heard about elephant? Learning about elephant? By smelling the earth, it can sense the positivity and negativity. That is a problem or something good happening after 10 kilometers. Elephant can sense from here only. And there used to be a story taught by, just told by my teachers. If the king dead unexpectedly, if there is no other king like sons or anybody to rule the kingdom, what they used to do means they used to give a garland to a high qualified elephant. It will sense a person who is suitable to the king itself. And it will go to the person and will just decorate the garland on him. Then he'll be considered as a king by Purohits. How it happens? Don't know. So elephant has that quality. And high qualified elephants are prescribed actually. They'll have very long, bigger tusks and will the water liquid oozes from the temples of the elephant. It will be so fragrant. So there are many things were told. So to understand elephants is called as Gaja Shastra. That's why even elephants were also used in warfare. So we have sciences on elephant, that is Gaja Shastra. We have science on scientific book on horses called as Ashwa Shastra. So that's why how to identify Gajendra, Indra of Gaja. We can read in that book. So Gajendra is king of elephants. Okay. Na plus iti. What is this?
Neti.
Neti.
Neti. Neti, neti. Neti means na iti. So no. Na plus iti, neti. Next.
Deva.
Devendra.
Deva plus Indra. Huh? Or instead of plus you can say Deva space Deva Indra. Devendra. Deva Indra. Devendra. Devendra. Tell the opposite side. Devendra. Deva plus Indra. Okay. Upendra. Upa Indra. Gajendra.
Gaja plus
Gaja
Indra.
plus Indra.
Neti.
Na plus iti.
If you know disjoining, joining is easy actually. Devendra.
Deva.
Deva Indra. Very good. Vikalendriyaha.
Kala.
Indriya.
It is not Vikalaha actually. It's a mistake written by me. Vikala plus Indriyaha. Vikalendriyaha. Vikala plus Indriyaha. Vikalendriyaha. Next.
Vikala means what?
Vikala means separated or just you can say disjoint or without. Next. Rama Itihasaha.
Rame.
Rametihasa.
Rametihasaha.
Rama plus Itihasa.
Very good. Next. A completed. Sorry, E completed now. U.
Ooh.
Dama plus
Damodara.
Udaraha.
Damodara.
You ever heard a word called Damodaraha?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is Damodaraha?
One with the rope around his belly.
Ah.
Krishna is referred to as Damodara
Ah.
because he had
Dama
been,
Udaraha. One
yeah.
day, his mother tied a rope to a rock. Even then, a baby Krishna crawled in between two trees and broke the two trees with a rock. So, at that time, a person who is tying a rope also saved the world, saved someone, called as Damodaraha, tied to the waist. Damodaraha. Next.
Rama plus Upasana. Rama Upasana.
Ramopasana.
Kama upasana.
What is Upasana?
Praying.
Practice.
Worshipping. Okay.
Upasana is practice.
Okay.
Ramopasana is practicing Rama, but is knowing about Rama, etc. Krishnopasana, you can change the word Vruksha plus Upasana.
Vrukshopasana.
Vrukshopasana.
Very good. You can use the word, divide the word Kamopasana.
Kama plus upasana.
What is the meaning of Kamopasana? Practicing to achieve the desired things. Whatever I desire, I just go just behind it. I'll just go on achieving whatever I desire. It's called Kamopasana. In that way. So, Akara before plus, Ikara or Ukara after plus become Gunasandhi. If it is A plus E, it becomes A. Now, A plus U becomes
Oh.
O. Remember that. That's it. A plus E, A plus U, O. This is Gunasandhi. Next. Vruddhi Sandhi. Vruddhi is a development. Na? See,
So,
A,
Acharya Garu,
Mata.
so is there another one too? A plus A becomes Ow?
Just if you will come to know if you wait.
Okay, sorry.
Jnanasya
I thought that's
bharanam kshama.
Gunasandhi. Yeah.
Jnanasya bharanam kshama.
Okay.
So patience. If you find akara, the same akara, savarna dirgha sandhi. The same letter, savarna, same letter. If it is not same letter, akara with ikara becomes ekara, akara, ukara becomes o. I'll tell you, I want to show you something. Where is my word? Yeah. Okay, it's another page. Okay, I'll show you something, Mata. A, E, U, Ru. If the sandhi with A, same A, is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. A plus E becomes
Gunasandhi.
A. Very good. The same. Okay. Kama. A plus U becomes O. A, E, U, Ru, A, O, I, Ow. So these are Ach. Do you remember Ach?
Yes, Ha
Yeah.
and Cha.
I, Uru, Evo, Ayav. Is there any Ach more than this? Is there any vowel? I won't rook, Evong, Ayauch. A, E, U, Ru, Lu, Evo, I, Ow. A, E, U, Ru, Lu, A, O, I, Ow. These are called as Achna. The Sandhi,
Yes.
all now what Sandhis we are reading in between these 9 letters only. So A plus A is Savarna, A is fine. I is confined to. Next, A plus EU is Guna Sandhi done. The result of Guna Sandhi is AO. What remained now?
IO.
IO. There is no Lukara in usage, so we delete it. IO is remained. So the result which is IO is called as Vruddhi Sandhi. The result which is IO is called as Vruddhi Sandhi. How? We'll see Sandhi here. Okay, Vruddhi. Look at it. A, Harasva or Dirgha Akara before plus. A, EU done with Guna Sandhi. The result of Guna Sandhi is AO. If you add AO with the Akara becomes Vruddhi Sandhi. That is A plus A is equals to I. Repeat after me. A plus A,
I.
I.
I. A, A, I. Example, Jana plus Ekata.
Janekata. Janekata.
Jana plus Ekata. What is answer?
Janaikata.
Janekata.
Aikata. Divide Janaikata.
Jana plus Ekata.
Okay. Mahaishwaryam. Divide Mahaishwaryam.
Maha.
Maha plus
Aishwaryam.
Fantastic. Mahaushadham.
Maha. Aushadam.
Mahaushadham. That's it. That is Vruddhi Sandhi. Mata, I think you got your answer.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay. Eka plus Ekaha.
Ekaika.
Ekaikaha. Remember, when you find Aikara in between letters, it may be Vruddhi Sandhi. Atra plus Ekamatyam.
Tatraikamatyam.
Or Jana plus Ekamatyam.
Janaikamatyam.
Janaikamatyam. Nayaka plus Aikamatyam. Ekamatyam. Ekamati. Ekamati. Single mind, same minded. We will learn like minded. It's called as Ekamatyam. Raja plus Eshaha.
Rajaisha.
Rajaishaha. Because A and A before and after. Yeah. Bala plus Esha.
Balaishaha.
Balaisha. This is
Balaisha.
Vruddhi Sandhi. I, whenever you find I, there is a chance of it becomes A plus A. Tatha plus Eva.
Tathaiva.
Tathaiva kuru. Do Tathaiva kuru. Tathaiva asti. It is there as it is. Ganga Esha. What is Esha?
That.
This she.
Shows.
This Esha.
This.
Ganga. Esha Ganga. This is Ganga. Reverse it. Ganga Isha. I told you now Sanskrit, you can place the word anywhere, meaning is same. Ganga plus Esha. Ganga Isha. Next. Sada plus Eva. Sadaiva. Sada. What is Sada?
Always.
Always.
Eva. Same. Sadaiva. Next. A plus A completed now. O. A plus O becomes Au. Vana plus Oshadhihi.
Anaushadhi.
Vanaushadhihi. This is like herbal. Vana plus Oshadhihi. The medicine which we found, which we'll find only in forest is called Vana Oshadhi. Vanaushadhi. A plus O. Au. Next. Jala plus Oghaha.
Jalaugaha.
Aughaha. A bigger wave of water. Ganga plus Oghaha.
Gangaugaha.
Whenever you find Au, there is a chance that it may become Vruddhi Sandhi. Maha plus Ojasaha.
Mahaujasaha.
Like Ojas means light, fame. Mahaujasaha. Bimba plus Oshti. Bimbaushti. Yeah. Next one. Now, A fine. A plus A is I. But A plus O is O. What about A plus I? Answer is same. A plus I, answer is I only. For example, Deva plus Aishwaryam.
Deva Ishwaryam.
I is already there. You need not divide it again. Deva plus Aishwaryam. Deva Aishwaryam. Divide Deva Aishwaryam.
Deva plus Aishwaryam.
Very good. Fantastic. Next one. Dirgha plus Aikaraha. Dirghaikaraha. The bindi is actually a mistake. Next. Nrupa plus Aishwaryam. What is Nrupa? You know the word, the definition of Nrupa, Naranam Patihi.
Rupa is king.
Ah, king. Nrupaishwaryam,
King's Aishwaryam.
king's wealth. Okay.
Wealth of
Raja
king.
plus Aishwaryam, the same.
Raja Aishwaryam.
Praja plus Aishwaryam is the same. Maha plus Aishwaryam is the same. Maheshwaryam. The same. Maha plus Aishwaryam, Maheshwaryam. Now, A completed. O. A plus Au is equals to answer Au. The same. Krishna plus Autkanthyam. Krishna plus Autkanthyam. What is Autkanthyam? Do you ever heard Utkantha?
Yeah.
What is Utkantha?
Saying it loud.
No. Okay. Utkantha. That is
Waiting eagerly.
Ah. When you are waiting eagerly, your throat will be little up. You take your breath little upward. If someone comes and surprises you, you'll be Utkantha. When you are watching a movie, when you are expecting something, they'll be like, you don't take the breath and stop. That is Utkanthata. Utkanthata.
What is Ogha means?
Ogha is a wave.
Ogha. Okay.
Krishna Utkanthyam. Having excitement on seeing it, Krishna is called as Krishna Utkanthyam. It may be as Rama Utkanthyam. It may be Vidya Utkanthyam. Pariksha plus Utkanthyam. Pariksha Utkanthyam. Au. A plus Au is equals to Au. Tavaudaryam. Divide Tavaudaryam. What is the meaning of it? Audaryam.
Your help.
Nice.
Charity. Audaryam is charity. Tavaudaryam, your charity. Janauchityam. Divide it.
Jana Auchityam.
Jana Auchityam. What is Auchityam? You ever heard of Auchityam word?
Appropriate.
Uchitasya bhavaha. What is Uchitam?
Extra.
Uchitam.
Free.
No.
No. Uchitam.
Appropriate.
Appropriate or right or
Right.
suitable. Nowadays, according to political view, it is called as free. Current free, water free, vote free.
Uchitam.
Uchitam. But Uchitam is a right thing, a perfect thing. So doing thing in a rightful way is called as Auchityam. Jnanauchityam. Whatever he is talking, it is Jnanauchityam. It is according to his mind. It is his right. Like whatever he is there, appropriately he is talking. Vakyauchityam. He wrote an essay with proper appropriate sentences. It's called as Vakyauchityam. Rama plus Autsukyam. Utsukatayaha bhavaha, the same. Uchitasya bhavaha auchityam. Udarasya bhavaha audaryam. Utkanthasya bhavaha autkantyam. Utsukyaha bhavaha autsukyam. What is utsukata?
Interest.
It's a excitement.
Okay.
Utsukata. Utsukataya bhavaha autsukyam. He is having a lot of excitement to go to Rama, to know about Rama. Jnana utsukyam. He is having a lot of excitement to have some more knowledge. Mahaushadhi. Divided, Swami?
Aushadhi.
Mahaushadhi, a great medicine. Nowadays, Corona, Covaxin is great medicine. Mama Audasinyam. What is Audasinyam? The same. You can divide it. Do you ever heard called Udasin?
Lazy.
Yes.
Udasin.
Disinterest.
Disinterest, not interested, weak, not lazy, but he's not getting up. He's somewhat active. Not active because of some pain, maybe some problem, not because of laziness. So there may be another reasons. So that is Udasina. Possessing that Udasinata is called as Audasinyam. Mama plus Audasinyam. Audasinyam. That's it. So this is Vruddhi Sandhi. Now this is for just knowledge concern. Savarnira Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vruddhi Sandhi are very, very important. You see everywhere in every language. But in Sanskrit, there are few sandhis where you need to understand it. If you look at the structure of it, you will understand what sandhi is in future. Okay? A plus A is equals to A. For example, Ante plus Api. Did you find Akara in the result? In the solution?
No.
No. But what you are seeing?
Avagraha.
The yes form is called as Avagra. So that is a symbol of Akara. Whenever you find that, yes, you should understand that there is partial spell of Akara. Antepi. Repeat everyone. Antepi.
Ante.
Do you find Akara before P? Antepi.
Yes.
Slight Akara is heard. So for that, they don't write complete Akara, just they write a symbol. Ante plus Api, Antepi. Akara merged with the pre-word, the previous word. Ante plus Api, Antepi. How to identify? There is yes. Avagra. Te plus Atra. Tetra. So yes is Akara. Avagra. Hare plus Ava.
Hareva.
Hareva with Avagra. Very good.
So what's the tetra means, Guruji?
Te Atra. Te means?
They.
Atra
Yeah.
means?
There.
Atra.
There.
They're
Here.
here.
Atra.
Here.
Here.
Here. Okay.
Te Atra. They are here.
Okay.
Someone is coming for inspection. Some boy comes. Te Atra. They are not coming. They already came. Te Atra.
They're here.
They are here. Hareva. Me Antike.
Mentike.
Antikam means close, nearby. Me Antike. My close to me.
Yeah, sometimes, Acharyaji, they indicate Dirgha Swara by putting two Avagra. So why can't they put instead Dirgha instead of two Avagra?
Very good. When there is a two avagras, it means there is prolonging than the dirgha.
Oh,
So instead of writing two akaras,
yeah,
giving you instead of if you write two akaras, you can add it, na? There may be a sandhi.
yeah, okay.
When we can't do the sandhi, when we can't confuse people, give a small indication such that you can prolong the achna
Okay.
like that. So dirgha ahani. Dirghahani. Dirghahani means long day. Next, O plus A becomes O only. Vishnu plus Atra. If there is Avagra, just I'm telling you to identify Avagra is nothing but Akara. Slight Akara is heard. Vishnotra. So Vadat. So Avadat. So Vadat. Ramo Hasat. Ramo Hasat. Ramo Hasat. There is Avagra. Kopi. Koapi. Avagra. Now, a beautiful Sandhi. Now, A completed na. In the previous A, E, U, what we did? Akara previously. Now, all the letters later, but Ikara will be before. Ukara will be before. What if Ikara is there? See here. E or Dirgha or Hraswa Ikara plus Ach. What is Ach? Any letter except the letter previously. If there is Ikara previously, there will not be Ikara later. What happens if there is Ikara later? Fantastic. It will not happen. So it is Yan Adesha Sandhi. What is Yan? Remember, Yan is nothing but Ya, Va, Ra, La. Okay? Just a second. Yan is nothing but Ya, Va, Ra, La. So these things comes obviously with It Sanya. This is called as Yana Adesha Sandhi. What is Adesham? Command. There will be a command of a letter. For example, Ati plus Uttamaha. There is E before, U later. E and U. Instead of E, there will be Ya. Do you remember Hari Shabda?
Yeah.
Ya always supported Ikara. Do you remember Guru Shabda?
Wow.
Wow, very good. Ati plus Uttamaha.
Atyuttama.
Whenever you find a word called Atyuttamam, what you should tell?
Ati Uttamam.
This is actually Yanadesha Sandhi, yaar. Next one. Iti plus Atra. E plus A. Small thing, Swami. Remember? Repeat after me. A. E.
E.
Nothing happens. Reverse it. E.
E.
A.
E. A.
E.
Spell it together.
E. Ya.
Ya.
More faster.
Ya.
Ya.
More faster. Ya.
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 Yeah.
Ya. Okay. Spell after me. Repeat after me. U. A. Wa.
Wow.
A. Okay. Ru plus A.
Wow.
Wa.
Ra. Lu plus A. La. So this is called as Yanadesha Sandhi. So Ya always represents Ikara, Va always represents Ukara, Ru, Ra always represents Rukara, La always represents Lukara. That is why Iti plus Atra, Ityatra. Iti plus Atra, instead of E, Yakara is commanding. Next one. Iti plus Adi.
Ityadi.
Iti plus Adi. Ityadi.
What's
Next one.
Ityatra means, Guruji?
Iti atra. We use it in technical term in Shastra learnings actually. If there is a formula, Ayun ityatra at that place, at this place, we refer na if.
Okay.
Ityatra is a technical term. Ityadi, you know ityadi,
Etc.
etc.
Okay, iti plus alam. Ityalam. What is ityalam? This is also a technical term. When there is a discussion, debate going in a sciences, it is enough. No more discussion is expected. No more discussion required. Full stop is called as ityalam.
That's enough.
Whenever a great commentarian tells that ityalam, it means don't discuss more than this is ज्यादा हो गया, बस है, ज्यादा बात करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Ityalam. Shastram pramanam ityalam. What it means? For anything, science is the proof. That's it. Ityalam. Iti plus alam. Ityalam. Where akara is coming instead of after plus or before plus?
After.
No, before. Where there is e, there will be ya. So before plus. Other thing, see. Iti uttama. Iti uttama. Do you able to hear ukara? Iti uttama. Yeah. Iti plus atra. Ityatra. A is heard. Iti plus adi. Ityadi. A is heard. Iti plus
Yes.
alam. Ityalam. A is heard. But ikara is not heard. Instead of ikara, yakara is a command adesha. Next one. Yadi plus api.
Yadyapi.
Even though. Yadyapi. Even though. Yadyapi. Yadi plus api. Yadyapi. Prati plus ekam.
Pratyekam.
We use this word often. Na? Pratyekam, pratyekam. How to divide it? What is prati? You know what is prati? I told you prati.
Every.
No.
No.
Opposite.
No. It is an upasarga.
Two words.
Upasarga. We read na?
Yes.
Upasarga. Pra, para, apa, parisam, anu, avani, yati, nes, nirdu, prati.
Pra is before.
Yeah. Nadi plus udakam.
Nadyudakam.
It's a mistake. Nadi plus udakam is called as nadyudakam. Nadi plus udakam. Nadyudakam. Nadi plus udakam. Nadyudakam. Nadi udakam. Nadyudakam. Nadyudakam. Nadi plus udakam. Stri plus utsavaha. Striutsavaha. Once again. Striutsavaha. Tongue twister. Striutsavaha. Dasara is a Striutsavaha. Sudhi plus upasyaha. What is upasyaha? Worshipable or practicable. Sudhi. What is Sudhi? Sudhi is an intellectual. Sudhi upasyaha. Sudhi upasyaha. Okay. Done? Only another Sandhi, not else. Okay. I want to show you something else. A small thing for just time. Oh, what is document? Yeah. Do you know what is this, Swami? What is this?
He-Man.
He-Man. You know He-Man? When I'm small, I used to watch almost lot of serials of He-Man. He used to be with a sword and a tiger. He's a hero. You know the word come from? What is Dhiman?
Dhairya.
Intellectual. Dhi, buddhi. Buddhir, manisha, dhishana, dhif, prajna, shemushi, matihi. These are all the words of brain. Dhiman. Okay, we can call it as buddhiman. So, in this dhi, the deleted, only he remained. Man is called as man. We have another He-Man in our literature. You know who is he?
Hanuman.
Oh, okay.
What is Hanuman? What is Hanu?
Buddhiman.
Hanuman.
Hanu,
Strong.
jaw. Hanuman got a
Okay.
bigger jaw. In any movies, he'll be like, like
Mm.
Hanuman. Person who he got, Hanu. Another is called as Shaktiman. What is Shaktiman?
Strong man.
Strong man.
Whoever got Shakti is called as Shaktiman. There is another man.
Hanuman.
Are. It's called as-
Ayushman.
What is this?
Hanuman.
Ayushman.
Ah, Dhanushman. Ayushman. Nowadays we are seeing different mans.
Superman.
Ah,
Hellman.
ah, etc. Why Spider-Man is called as Spider-Man? He got spider in it, so he's called as Spider-Man. So the concept is same. Okay, yes, I wanted to do for fun. Whenever we find all these great superheroes, my son is, I don't know why he is fond of, he's so attracted to Spider-Man. Okay, he'll touch the window grill and he'll touch the sofa and he'll be always crossed as a daddy, Spider-Man. You got it, I don't know. He'll be always cross and I'm Spider-Man. When I say, hi, beta, how are you? He tells, dish. He shows his fingers. That is good morning for him.
Dhanushman means it's a
What is Dhanu?
Dhanus.
Arrow.
Yeah.
Bow.
Who got Dhanush? Who is Dhanushman in our Indian culture?
Arjuna.
Arjuna.
Okay, previously he's not the first one.
Obviously.
Parashurama.
Parashurama, Parashu is X, na? He got X.
Okay, okay.
Before Parashurama?
Rama. Rama.
Very good. Before Rama? There is one
Dasharatha.
Dhanush pushed by Sita, so that is called Swayamvara.
Shiva.
Shiva Dhanush, very good. Shiva got Dhanush. Okay. Shiva is also Dhanushman, but he never fights, na? He just fights, he just gives everything peace. What do you want? Just take it and go. You want peace? Go. You want my color? Take it. You want my chair? Take it. He gives everything. So he don't fight. Very rare he fights.
So
If it is-
Acharyaji,
Swami.
Apasi, you said Guna Sandhi and also you used it in the Vruddhi Sandhi, right?
Which one?
A plus E.
A plus Vruddhi Sandhi, A plus E will not come. A plus A or Au.
Okay.
A plus E is Guna Sandhi only. There is no chance at all.
Okay.
A plus A plus Au. Or A plus I, A plus Au. A plus A, O, I, Au is Vruddhi Sandhi.
Okay.
So we have 4 sandhis.
For Ach Sandhi, these are called as Sandhis between vowels. We did not
Okay.
go to consonants.
Okay.
Ach.
Ach, A, I, U, Ru, Lu, E, O, I, Au. If you do Sandhi in between these 9, there are these Sandhis. Very important. We use it often. Very generally we use this. Everywhere. So now if you find the shloka, Shama, Narasya Abharanam Rupam, Narasya Bharanam Rupam, Rupasya Bharanam Guna, Gunasya Bharanam Jnanam, Jnanasya Bharanam Kshama. If you listen to this for the first time, you can tell that, oh, there is Savanera Sandhi here. Savanera Sandhi for 4
Yeah,
times.
I think the Telugu language has the same 4 sandhis, if I remember that.
From Sanskrit only,
Yeah.
all grammar of Hindi and Telugu is nothing but Sanskrit only.
Acharyaji, let me, I want to ask a question. I have come across while reading something, words like mattaha, meaning from me, and manye, I accept. You know, where are these words coming from? For example, in Asmad, Aham, Avam, Vayam, these words are not there. So where are these words coming from?
Mattaha is a single word or dual word?
I do not know. That's what I read, and I found out the meaning. It is from me.
Mattaha.
I see.
Mat.
Uh,
Mat avabhyam asmat.
I see.
Panchami vibhakti. Mat.
So,
Taha. From me.
I see. And manye?
Manye is not a word. Manye is an avyaya. It thinks like manye, I think, or I accept. It is not a manye, manyavahe, manyamahe. It is a dhatu. It is a root, not the noun.
I see. Okay.
So that is what is important. Shabda dhatu jnanam samskrita jnanam. Having sound knowledge of words, nouns, words is nothing but nouns, and roots or dhatus. So what is a dhatu and what is a shabda? We should identify. Mattaha, matataha, panchami vibhakti. That is a shabda. Manye is a dhatu. Uttama purusha ekavachanam. Manyate, manyete, manyante. Manyase, manyethe, manyadhve. Manye, manyavahe, manyamahe. Is a passive voice dhatu.
Okay.
Good, Swami. Please keep asking such questions, okay? As many doubts we ask, that much clarity we get. Great, Swami. Today, learn something new?
Yes.
Yes. All Sandhis.
What
What
happened to
Sandhis?
Chinnareddy?
Shyamji? Something
Chinnareddy is not joining Bhikshapati, you know?
Yeah.
You know why? Or
I think Chinnareddy Sundays, right? Some partying going on, so I guess he's not. Yeah, I spoke to him like maybe 3-4 weeks ago, or maybe I think beginning of January.
Lakshma Reddy ji
Yeah.
also joined late today.
Was I?
He was agachami.
Agachan asti. Gachan. If you tell that gachan, khadan, piban, it means you are in process of eating.
Yeah, I was having technical problems. Dot.
Dot, dot.
I had to reboot my computer.
Thank you very much, Swami. Shubhadinam, Shubham Bhuyat, Sarvebhya. Vande Mataram. We'll meet in the next class with some other new concept.
Yeah. Punar Milama.
Santosh ji, Vande Mataram. Bhikshapati ji, Vande Mataram. Lakshma Reddy ji, Namaskaram. Shyam ji, Vande Mataram. Vasudha Mata, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Dhanyawad.
Vande Mataram.
Bring Lakshma Reddy ji faster next time. Only he listens to you. I don't know why he's not listening to me.
oh, why?
Yeah, I think you should ask your wife. You will find.
Okay, Swami. Vande Mataram. Bhikshapati ji, Dat ji, Jai Sai Ram. Namaste.
Vande Mataram.